This is how it looks when you burp your honey garlic. You're just going to slowly crack open the lid. What that's going to do is release some air. So I'm going to slowly, you'll see the bubbles. Now you hear them coming out. You can smell it. Might be able to see it bubbling up. You can hear the bubbles releasing, the air's coming through, and I just barely cracked open the lid. You just want to do it enough. Don't open it too much because then the honey will overflow. If you do it like I did it, where I filled it up a little too high. You want to leave a little space for air. Then it has some room to breathe. But here, as I crack it open, they call it burping the garlic and the honey as it's fermenting. Then you can slowly release if you want. A little more. It's like it's on a little tight. There we go. Now I can really breathe.